Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Tonight we've got a treat for you, and I'm going to splice in a video I made earlier today. But this video is about the nasty hornworm and what it can do to your garden. Stick with us. Okay, so we're here in front of our tomato trellis, and we want to talk a little bit about the hornworm. That is this nasty looking, well, actually people think it's kind of beautiful. Right here, this guy, he can really devastate a garden in a matter of days. Just a few hornworms can take out a lot of tomatoes and peppers and a few other types of plants. Let's show you this one right there. This tomato plant is about 9 feet tall. Hope you can see it. It's finally starting to sprout out on the top, but it was taken out in one night by about, I think it was 2 or 3 hornworms that I got. And I have been out here every day for the past 5 days getting these guys. So let's jump to the other video, and I'm sorry it was on my cell phone and it was in the wrong orientation, but I think it's going to be really beneficial to you. It'll show you how we take care of them and how to find them on your plants. Hey everyone, I'm out here on my phone, and I usually never take videos on my phone, but I had the opportunity. One thing I'm going to talk about today real quick are tomato hornworms. You can see one little bugger right here, and they are actually nasty. Look at this. He's biting at this pair of scissors I got right here. Now, the real easy way to look for tomato hornworm damage is actually just looking for stripped off and cleaned, broken leafing branches off your tomatoes. Look at this one right here. This one's completely stripped off. And this little bugger is in the midst of taking care of one of the flowering buds right here on this tomato, and he's not going to make it. The easiest way for me to do this is not pick them off, because these little feet on here are like little suction cups. Sorry about that. Here we go. Little suction cups on here. And they really adhere to the stem or leaf or whatever they're holding on to. And these guys are really camouflaged too. Look at that. He's just nasty. And he's a small one. So the easiest way for me to take care of these is do this right here. Oop, and I missed him. No, I didn't. I got his head right there. Snipped him right in half. I chop him right in half with a pair of scissors. Gone. Alright, let's go find, I saw a bigger one over here. Let's go get him. This is, out of all the methods here, this is the easiest way for me. I tried a knife, that didn't work too well. Look at this bugger right here. Hopefully my phone will focus and do a good job. Let's get him, and he is going to be gone. Just chop him in half. Done. Look at that juice just pouring out of those guys. Alright. Those are the 2 quick ones that I found, but I know there are more on here. There's more and more every day. I've got a late season resurgence of beautiful tomatoes here. Check this out. So I hope that video portion was helpful for you. One more thing I forgot to mention in the beginning portion, or that part of the video, was another way to find these guys is to look for their frass, I guess you could say. It's their poop, really. So on this one, let's see if I can find it for y'all and get this camera properly situated. You can see it sitting here. Let me zoom in for y'all. You can see it sitting there, right there. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's not going to focus for me. But anyway, it is right there and is sitting on. There's a piece of it right there. Sitting on there. Anyhow, that's an easy way to find them. And besides all the damage I talked about earlier and the fresh damage, and then just, keeping your eyes peeled for them. And like I said, you can try to peel them off, but those little suckers are stuck on there. Literally, their feet are like suckers and they're stuck on there. And they hiss and they spit and they try to stab you with the horn, and they are nasty. So just get a pair of those shears and clip them off. You can use BT too, but I'm not 100% sold on that stuff and putting it in my garden. I'm not 100% sold that it doesn't hurt beneficials, not only insects, but bacteria, etc. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to come out here and be diligent about it and get these guys every day, every night, and just snap them in half and snip them in half. And the plants are coming back now. Ooh, look at that. As I'm talking on video, I see another one up here. Look at him. Check him out. I think you can see him against the sky. Come on, camera, focus. And we're going to get him right here. Look at that. He's beating me up. He's snapping at me. Let's see if he'll spit at me so you guys can see it on camera. Let's see. This little horn is trying to... Oh, there he's trying to hit me. Well, buddy, you are gone. Goodbye. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video of us taking care of these hornworms and showing you how to find them and how to kill them. Have a great day, everyone, and we will see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share the video. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.